Okay, Beauty Forever, I have one question. Can I introduce you to my mama? Can I take you home, baby? I absolutely love this wig. My mama gonna think it's mine. Hey everyone, welcome to the Rockstar Experience channel. I am Kashay, and today we are reviewing the Beauty Forever wig. So let's first get into this unboxing. Of course, they had to package it with the satin bag. Hold on. They secured it really tight. And then we have the branded box, so cute. First things first, we're presented with the wig. We have HD wig cap. Nice soft edge wrap. Okay. Ooh, and a goodies bag. Another wig cap. Come on now, plentiful. Another edge wrap. Okay. Okay. Y'all love me. Beauty Forever, if you love me, just say that. You know? Just say that. And we have some nails. Like, OMG. And these are so cute. But let's get into this wig. So we have the Beauty Forever Kinky Curly Pre-everything wig. So that means pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-everything, baby. And we have tape for the ear tag. Like, let's get into it. Wow. Look how luscious these curls are. Nice hairline. Let me show you. So, let me get this straight. This is extra tape. Beauty Forever, y'all love me. Y'all love me. I know. I know. Okay. Yes. Okay, this hairline looks really good and really professional. Like, y'all did y'all big one. Okay? So, we only have to do two things for this wig. We have to do our foundation color, and then we have to just define the curls. That's it. So, because this is a curly wig, I'm going to shampoo it and make sure I get all the chemicals out of it and everything, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I shampooed the wig, and it smells so good and it looks good. It really was so smooth, and surprisingly, this is my first kinky curly wig, and the reason being is because I thought it was going to be so hard to manage, but Beauty Forever, let me tell you, you guys have changed my mind. This wig was so easy to shampoo, so easy to condition. So now I guess let's see how easy it is to install. So first things first, we're going to tint this lace. I have my foundation color and my concealer, the inside. Okay, so now that we have our complexion color on our lace in the inside, I'm going to just adjust these straps. I'm doing the adjustable strap that they gave me, and also the adjustable straps that comes sewn on the wig. Then I'm going to apply the tape to the inside near the ear tabs. Okay, so now the wig is ready to just be popped on. I'm going to align it first with my hairline and make sure the tape is aligned appropriately. I had got some hair on the tape, so I definitely had to replace it. So that's what you see me doing here. With this tape, all you really have to do is just peel and stick.
Once I finally got the tape in the right position, I noticed I had a little bit more left, so I had cut some smaller pieces and placed that on the loose lace that I had left near my ears. I noticed that they made this hairline straight, so because I knew I was going to do glueless, I really didn't mind like the sides of my baby hairs being out a little bit or just exposed, because I'm going to actually cover those with baby hairs. After applying the tape, I decided to use my Ibn adhesive spray to melt the lace. After I applied the spray, I went on ahead with my Beauty Forever edge wrap. Now that my edge wrap is on and securing the wig and melting the wig, doing what it's supposed to do, I'm going to define these curls. And when I say it was so easy to run through, like, look at these curls. Look at how smooth the brush glides through. I'm defining these curls with the Beyond the Zone collection from Sally's. I will have it listed in my description below. This hair is so soft, silky, and bouncy. Like, I am so in love. It's giving bad B, bad natural B. You heard me. Yes, it's giving vacation hair. I am absolutely loving this texture. After defining, I went on ahead and diffused so I don't get a cold or get sick. I'm not leaving out with no wet hair. And baby, I was loving it. These curls look so good. I was getting pumped. I think I was dancing and some more. Now it's time to take this edge wrap off. And baby, you can't tell me I don't look good. Like, what? But lastly, I gotta do these edges. So I'm just using my comb to part out a little bit. I'm not trying to get them all super neat and all that, because this is curly hair. So I'm just gonna cut them about 1 inch of length and just swoop them naturally. You don't have to curl them with the flat irons or anything, because this is a curly texture hair. I'm gonna use my Beyond the Zone mousse to go ahead and swoop that. And now that these baby hairs are laid, I am done, baby. Like, look at this.
OMG, I absolutely love this wig. It is giving hair gold. Okay? Definitely beginner friendly. Come on, look at this. It's giving scalp realness. Like, this is my hair. Hi, I'm Kashay with the big hair. Yes, it's me. Come on. What you say this was? A kinky, curly, transparent 13 by 4, 24 inch. all mine, baby. It's all mine. I absolutely love this. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Let me know if you guys would try it. The link is in my description. Bye.